What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Sherman Racing Team. My name is Barry Sherman, and today I'm going to show you how you oil your chain on the Turbo SL e-bike for kids. So first things first, always use e-bike lube. So I'm going to use the muck off type today because it smells really nice and it's really good. And I'm going to use the dry weather lube because it's dry and damp outside right now. And so I'm going to pour it down and shift down and up. And so let's do this. Yep, it smells super nice. Now that it's got on the chain, I'm going to place it down. Now go through and shift the gears. Smells really nice. And I love this lube. Now I'm going to give it a minute and let it set, and then I'm going to come back and wipe it all down. So stay tuned. 1, 2, okay, now I'm back from 5 minutes, and now I've let it set. So now I'm going to wipe off all the excess from it. So I'm going to pedal and then try to get all of it off. Yeah, look at all that. So yeah, I just got it all off. Looking really clean. And yeah, that's how you oil your chain on a Turbo SL e-bike for kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
You gonna air this out like grandmother's laundry?
Of course I am.